Do you think that starting a manufacturing business requires a large factory, a huge investment, and a vast workforce? Think again. The 2026 industrial landscape isn't rewarding mass scale. It's rewarding precision and local supply chain agility. Today we are analyzing 5 mini-factory business models that can help you launch a business on a small scale. Today, there is a constant demand for spare parts for many small manufacturing, repair, construction, and mechanical installation factories. Often, these businesses source parts from distant major cities, leading to issues like delayed deliveries, inventory storages, and high transportation costs. This supply gap presents a viable business opportunity for small-scale manufacturers. So stay tuned until the end to explore these 5 business ideas. Ultimately, a reality check regarding your location, power supply, and local demand will determine which of these businesses is the right fit for you. Now come on, let's get into the video. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Mini specialized washers manufacturing business. The first machine we will look at is one designed to manufacture small washers. In fact, this machine quietly serves hundreds of industries. Washers, spacers, and stamped metal discs are essential components in vehicle repair and the manufacturing of agricultural equipment. Moreover, many small manufacturing firms rely on these as consumable items, parts that are frequently used up and need constant replenishment. So you can start a specialty washer manufacturing business using stainless steel plates or aluminum coils with a mini specialty washer making machine, punch dies, a vernier caliper, and basic cutting tools. The market's range is more stable because buyers prefer nearby distributors who can deliver small quantities quickly rather than waiting for cargo from distant industrial centers. Initially, a good strategy would be to produce in small batches and offer samples to local workshops, machine repair shops, and hardware stores. However, there is also a risk in this. Large manufacturers sell quality washers at very low prices. If you also produce the same products, your profit margin may be very low. Number 2. Customized bracket manufacturing business. Brackets are frequently required for factories, solar power projects, piping systems, and machinery setups. However, most customers do not require the standard brackets available in the market. They often need brackets with specific dimensions, hole placements, and designs, creating a prime opportunity for a small-scale manufacturer. So you can start a customized bracket manufacturing business with raw materials like mild steel plates, angle sections, and GI, that's zinc-plated iron plates, using a mini hydraulic bending machine, a drilling machine, a cutting machine, and a welding system. Then, initially, it is very important to connect with local electricians, fabricators, solar installers, and mechanical repair contractors, as they are likely to become your first customers. The challenge is in maintaining accuracy and avoiding material waste, as poorly bent parts often become waste and directly reduce profit margins. So, accurate measurements and quality control are essential from the start. Friends, before we move on to the next business idea, if you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Number 3. Small plastic parts manufacturing business. Small plastic parts are everywhere, yet many industries struggle to source small customized parts. Numerous small plastic parts are used in electrical panels, cable clips, spacers, machine handles, and even household appliances. And there is a constant demand for these products. This creates a viable opportunity for a small-scale or home-based manufacturer. So you can start a business producing and supplying customized parts using a mini injection molding machine, suitable molds, and plastic pellets. A customer base can be built by supplying directly to electrical shops, machine manufacturers, and repair centers that have a steady demand in the local market. However, the primary risk in this industry lies in the cost of the molds. Creating a new mold can require a significant investment. If market demand is not accurately assessed, capital could end up being tied up unproductively. Therefore, securing orders first and then creating the molds is considered the safer approach. Number 4. Industrial nameplate manufacturing business. Industrial nameplates are mandatory in factories, control panels, electrical systems, and mechanical installations, due to which there is always a demand from manufacturers and maintenance contractors. So you can use a mini CNC router with engraving software to create warning labels, machine codes, branding plates, control panel indicators, and customized identification signs using acrylic sheets, PVC boards, aluminum composite boards, and laminated materials. There is opportunity in serving local panel makers, automation companies, electricians, and engineering firms. They often need emergency replacement plates or customized orders with company logos and serial numbers. However, the market is competitive with numerous laser engraving shops already in operation. Therefore, ensuring quick delivery and the ability to rapidly modify designs according to customer specifications will be your greatest strengths. Number 5. Threaded rod and specialty bolt manufacturing business. Factories use thousands of bolts and threaded rods that are not readily available in regular hardware stores. There is a continuing demand for local manufacturers who can supply specific lengths, special thread pitches, and in limited quantities. So you can produce threaded rods and specialty bolts using raw materials such as MS rods, stainless steel rods, or alloy steel rods with a small thread rolling machine, a cutting machine, and precise measuring instruments for quality control. Many industrial customers have a strong demand for customized lengths and unusual thread sizes and are having difficulty finding these products quickly. So initially, small orders can be obtained by establishing contacts with manufacturing departments, machine manufacturers, and construction contractors. The risks associated with this business are significant. If the quality of the thread is poor or there are errors in the dimensions, the entire batch may be rejected. Therefore, it is essential to establish a strong quality control system from the very beginning. Friends, before buying any machine, there are some practical things to pay attention to because they affect profits much more than is commonly mentioned in social media videos. Additionally, depending on production volume and the materials used, you may require GST registration, Udyam registration, local trade licenses, and pollution control clearances. Also, manufacturing from home is possible, but it works best when viewed as a distribution business rather than a hobby. The most successful business owners usually identify a shortage of a product in their immediate industry environment and become the fastest distributor for that segment. Before ordering any equipment, carefully consider your location, visit workshops, talk to contractors, study ongoing demand, and calculate production costs. So friends, these are the 5 types of small businesses that will help you start a spare parts manufacturing business from your home. This video is made for educational and informational purposes only. The cost of machines, licensing requirements, production capacity, and profitability vary depending on location, quality of distributor, electrical availability, and market demand. Please conduct independent research and consult with relevant experts before making any investment-related decisions. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.